Today's question is, let A equal to 3 by 3 matrix. That is, first row is 2 and 2, second row is 6 to 11, third row is 3 3 2, and P. It is also 3 by 3 matrix, which is first row is 1 2 0, second row is 5 0 2, third row is 7 1 5. The given question is, we need to find sum of the prime factors of determinant of P inverse A P minus 2I, that is equal to what? We need to find sum of the prime factors of this determinant value. So let's see how to solve it. First, what you have to do, first take the inside expression, which is P inverse AP minus 2I. First we will find out that value. That is our first step. And the second step, we are going to find the determinant of this value. In the third step, we are going to find the prime factors of this determinant value. And finally, then we are going to do the sum of these prime factors. That is the way to solve it. So we are going to solve 4 steps. The first one is take this inside expression and find this value. That is the first one. The second one is find the determinant. That is the second. And third is find the prime factors of that value. And the fourth is you need to do sum. These are the 4 steps. For the first step, we need to take the inside expression and find the value of this. So let's take it. What is the inside? P inverse A P minus 2I. So here we have a P inverse P and I. So after seeing this P inverse Pi, we can recall one of the matrix property, that is identity matrix property. A inverse, that is equal to identity matrix, isn't it? So that means if you multiply A and the inverse of A, then we are going to get identity matrix. Using this property, we are going to simplify this expression here in terms of a P. So that's why instead of A, we can write this as P inverse, that is also equal to I, isn't it? So instead of this I am going to write P times P inverse. Now observe here we have a P inverse and here we have a P inverse. So these two are common. So let's take it P inverse as common. Then what we left? We left AP, A times P minus 2 times P. Again observe here we have a P common. So let's again take P as common. First we have P inverse, then A. If we take P as common, then we are left A minus 2. So here P inverse P. So we can write it as P inverse P times A minus 2. Just now we recalled identity matrix property. So what is that? A times A inverse, that is equal to identity matrix. Similarly, here also we have a P inverse P. This P inverse P also is nothing but identity I, isn't it? So times A minus 2. If you open the bracket, then we are going to get I times A minus 2 times I. Any matrix, if you multiply with identity, then we are going to get the same matrix itself. So that means I times A, we are going to get only A minus 2I. After simplifying the inside expression, we got A minus 2I. So now we need to find A minus 2I value. Here A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So that's why this identity matrix also you need to take 3 by 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. After multiplying by 2, then we are going to get 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Now subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 0, which is 1. 2 minus 0, which is 2. 6 minus 0, which is 6. 2 minus 2, which is 0. 11 minus 0, which is 11. 3 minus 0, which is 3. 3 minus 0, which is 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So this is the A minus 2I. So we are done our first step. Now we need to go for the second step, which is to find the determinant. Let's find the determinant of this A minus 2I. First 0 times anything is 0 only. So no need to take this 0. Then go for the next, which is 1. So you need to take negative 1 of. So you are taking this number. That means you need to close this row and this column. So we are left 6, 11, 3, 0. So when you are doing cross multiply, 6 times 0, which gives 0 only, minus 3 times 11, which gives 33. 0 minus 33, which is minus 33. 1 times 33, which is 33, minus into minus plus. So we are going to get here only 33. Now we need to take this last element. So plus 2 times. So when you are taking this 2, you need to close the same row and same column. So then we are going to left 6033. So when you do cross multiply, 6 times 3 is 18, minus 3 times 0, which is 0. So 2 times 18, which gives 36. So 33 plus 36, which gives 69. Determinant of this a minus 2i, the value is 69. So we are done for the second step. Now we need to go third step, which is prime factors. For the 69, you need to find prime factors. So that's why you need to take prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. 69 is not divisible by 2. So let's take the another prime number, which is 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So 23 is a prime number. You can stop it. So we are done with the third step. So let's go for the fourth step, which is sum. So that means we need to do sum of this prime factors. So 3 plus 23, which is 26. The sum of the prime factors of determinant of P inverse AP minus 2i, that is 26. So like that, you need to solve the JEE type questions.